So how to download Metro bank statements. So to download Metro bank statements, you're firstly going to need to open up your Metro account online, as unfortunately, as of right now, the Metro Bank app does not support downloads of statements. But once you've signed into Metro Bank on a laptop or computer, it is quite a straightforward process. So once you've signed in and you're on this page here, you just want to click on Statements. And then once you've done that, it'll open you up to this page here, which is a month by month breakdown of all your bank statements. And you can go ahead and download which one you need. So for example, right here, we'll go ahead and select the August one, click View, and then it'll open up your bank statement, and you can go ahead and download it right at the top here. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.